Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Carrolton, local and long distance movers near me. Not only do we provide support for long distance moving, but we also demonstrate the ability to assess your specific needs. Here are some examples: packing, unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Of course, the idea of hiring a Carrolton moving company for your local move may seem worthy of a serious questioning at first, but when you check out the facts and statistics, you couldn't help but notice how cooperating with an experienced company may help you deal with the moving related problems in a more assertive way. Also, not to mention that packing and unpacking is a time-consuming task, apart from the risk of damage to the products that you are not sufficiently trained to handle. A professional team as 3 movers is able to help you ease up the entire process, focus on the important aspects of the moving, and get ready for your new home in significantly smaller amounts of time. Even if usually moving from one place to another could take up 1 or 2 days, we could get the entire process finished in a matter of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carrollton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.